Hello friends, welcome to learn Photoshop. In this video we will see how to select background by using magic wand tool. In previous video we have seen different selection tools and some basic of Photoshop. I would like to request you to watch the previous video. If you watch the previous videos, then the logic of selection will be more clear. Let us create selection with the help of magic wand tool. This tool is perfect for selecting similar color of background. Here we have a similar shade of background. Let us zoom the image with the help of Ctrl and plus key. Pan the image with the help of space bar. Make sure one thing that you are in zoom mode, then the perfect selection is happen. Now let us go to the toolbox. Here we have a magic wand tool. Click here, click on magic wand tool, and for selection you have to simply click on the background. Okay. For making more selection, go to the property bar, click on the add to selection option. Again click on the background. Just you have to click it properly. Now the easily selection is ready. Go to the more tool, go to the layer palette, double click on the background, click on the OK. Now press the delete key from keyboard. Press the Ctrl D for deselection. And for zoom out, just use the Ctrl and minus key. Now it is perfect. Here we want to change the background, therefore we delete the previous background. Now you can here set the another image. Go to the file, click on open, browse the image. Suppose we want this image, click on open, then drag this image. Go to the move tool, and we have to move this image on our current image, and then close the image. Now let us arrange this image properly. Ctrl T is the transform tool to arrange the image properly. Go to the corner, hold the shift key, and then resize the image. You can also resize the height and width of image by using these handlers, width and height. Double click, go to the layer palette, click on the background image and just drag over the upper image. If you again want to edit some background image, then click on the background image, and directly with the help of move tool you can set the background properly. Okay. Like this you can easily use magic wand tool and easily edit your background or anything that of similar color shade. You have to practice this tool on different type of images. If you like this video, then share it, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.